Hi guys. I made this song out of nowhere. It's called um. I'm gonna name that uh NGNFP. I don't know what that means. It's only for me. Okay. So let me just. Uh, okay. Never mind. Okay. System sound recording off. Okay. So here we go. Actually, system sound recording on. Let's see if my recording works. Okay. So actually, let me just what I'm my mind is so puzzled right now. Okay, so here we start at some sample I got from my church's ambience. Yes, I attend in church. That's a flex. I made it have some reverb on. Oh, I accidentally adjusted. No, firmament. Okay, that's what I remember. Okay, and then there's this fading in lo-fi chords. I made it super easy. It's just some repeating chords with some variation, and I also made it have some reverb and some delay. Wait, what? I didn't know that. Wait, I didn't know that. I swear. Okay, so we have here is some lo-fi extension, I guess that's what it's called. And then I added some road space. I also made it have some wait, what? I didn't made it some reverb. My original plan was like made it make it a reverb bass. And yeah, I made it super simple also. Like just C D E C D E D. Oh, my bad. Okay. And then when you look at here, what is this red thing? Okay, so you already noticed the name. It's called Otherworldly Sound Effects. Okay, so basically just this. And the best part. So yeah, and then there's beep here. Just some more otherworldly sound effects. And then here is the chord 2.0 because it's just like an overlay for the chords here. So it's just they're just in harmony to each other. But what did I just make the British sound? Oh my goodness. And then there's some Atmos background thingy and vinyl background thingy overlaying with this sample I got. Oh yeah, it's just super ambience like. And then we got here piano, simple piano. I like this melody a lot. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. That's how I make that's how you make this track. Also, one note here, is this is not Snap, so it feels more organic. There's a tiny little gap between there. Yep. So yeah, that's how I made this thing. And the NXT. Yeah. Wanna listen to it? Okay, fine. So yeah, that's how it goes. Also, here is the thingy. Yeah, oh, I tried combining um this sound thingy 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 with some extra note. So yeah, I think that's it. Bye.